Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Eyes Fashion. So hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive smart collections only for you. So let me display and deliver also. This one cotton fabric, very nice one, soft cotton fabric with beautiful printed one all over base part is beautiful printed one, based for your daily wear, very trendy looks, bright color combinations, pure cotton fabric with beautiful smart printed one without running blouse piece, only shadi length. This one is full base part, soft one, and this one is full base, very trendy and smart looks. And this portion pallu portions, beautiful one. This portion is pallu portions, beautiful trendy looks, half portion is different printed and half portion is different printed. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. This one also very bright color combinations, based for your daily wear, pure cotton fabric with contrast color border and all over batik printed one. This one full base part, very nice trendy looks. This portion is full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is all over base, and this portion is half portions, beautiful fully batik printed one. And this portion is pallu portions is mustard yellow shade and split section is magenta pink shade. And this one is pallu in beautiful contrast color with printed one. This one is pallu end, and this one is all over base, half split portion pink, and this portion is upper base part mustard yellow, and pallu end is black with printed one. Very trendy and smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material kota weaving contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart elegant looks. And this one also same material cotton fabric and beautiful bright printed one. Base part is white and this one pallu portions, fully contrast color with printed pallu, very nice one and this one is full base part, elegant looks. This portion is full border portions, beautiful nice printed one, and this one is all over this, very trendy looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric stitching stripes with printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart daily looks. And this one also same material, beautiful printed one, off white base contrast border printed. Let me open this one full base part. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one. This portion is border portions, very nice trendy looks, based for your office wear, daily wear. And this one is pallu portions, beautiful contrast color with printed pallu, and base part is off white with border portions contrast printed, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart daily looks. Very beautiful one, bright color combinations, cotton fabric with nice printed one, very trendy looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, and this one is full base part, very trendy and smart elegant looks, based for your office wear, daily wear. This portion is half portions different printed and half portion is bright red printed one, very trendy and fresh looks, cotton fabric soft one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful one, cotton fabric, same material cotton fabric with printed one. This one is all over base part, nice printed looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart one. This one full base part, beautiful nice printed one. This one is pallu portions, and this one is all over base without running blouse piece, only saree length. This one is full base part is fully printed, looks very nice one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart daily looks. And this one also bright color combinations, green shade, half half portion is green shaded printed one and half portion is white shaded. Let me display. This one is half portions, pallu portions upper base part to pallu, beautiful bright printed one, and this one is split section, half portion is this portion. Very nice printed one, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also, you know, art silk with heavy Banarasi weaving work based for your gift purpose. Very trendy and smart looks. Art silk but soft one, heavy work. This one is full base part, beautiful heavy worked all over base, and this one, you know, pallu portions contrast color with heavy Banarasi weaving worked pallu, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart bright looks. This one also, you know, art silk, bright color art silk with heavy Banarasi weaving work based for your gift. This one is full base part. Let me display. This one is full base part is heavy work Banarasi weaving heavy worked art silk, and this one is border portions fully Banarasi weaving heavy worked border, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu portions fully heavy worked pallu, very gorgeous looks, you know. This one is full base part fully worked, and this one is pallu portions, and this portion is border portion. Very trendy one, and I will suggest this soft silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy looks. And this one also, you know, beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton silk material with fine hand weaving border design. Same material today I have did same saree, different color, and this one is beautiful color purple shade. And soft, comfortable, very soft one, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, based for your daily wear, smart daily looks. And this one is full base part, very nice one with highlighted contrast color with fine weaving border. This one is running blouse piece, and this portion is pallu portions. Highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and this one is border portions, very soft, summer friendly, and I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, soft one, summer friendly, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, contrast weaving border, highlighted stripes pallu, same material, same pattern, different color only, fully hand weaving fine work border, fully hand weaving design, and beautiful sky blue shades. Soft, comfortable, summer friendly, and this one is pallu portions, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. Same material today I have did different color. This one is full base part, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material silk weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. In a very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color combinations, very elegant looks, khadi cotton base, fine weaving border design, very trendy and fresh looks, soft, lightweight, same saree today I have did different color only. And this one, you know, border portions, beautiful fine weaving design work border, and you know, fully hand weaving design, and this one is full base part, nice color combinations, soft one, summer friendly, based for your office wear, professional wear, very smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu portions, highlighted contrast color stripes pattern pallu, and this one, you know, full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, black base, red maroon contrast border, weaving border. Same material, same pattern, different color, very soft one, summer friendly. This one is full base part, this portion is border portions, fully fine hand weaving design work border, and this one is black, bright black shade contrast maroon border, very nice bright looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this portion, you know, border portions, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. For customize your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. And this one also in a very beautiful bright color combinations, fresh magenta pink shade, mirror pink shade with contrast mustard yellow border. Very nice combinations, you know. Same material, same pattern. This portion is border portions, fully hand weaving design work border, and this one is pallu portions, highlighted stripes pattern pallu, and this one, you know, full base part, very trendy and fresh looks, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, based for your daily wear. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Sorry, this one also, you know, very beautiful one, malmal cotton, premium quality malmal cotton with contrast printed one. This one, you know, full base part, very nice looks. This one is bright blue shade with contrast red border and fully printed one. This portion is pallu portions. Highlighted stripes pattern pallu, this portion, and this one, you know, full base part, very bright fresh looks, fully printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, and I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy daily looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, same material, premium quality malmal cotton with beautiful printed contrast color, printed polka design, very nice looks, printed polka work. This one is white base with printed one, and this one is all over base, and this one, you know, full base part is same printed looks, very trendy one, premium quality, soft malmal cotton. This one is running blouse piece, black shade, and this one is full base. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart looks, smart daily looks. Same material, same pattern, white base, black polka printed one, full base part, same pattern, very smart and trendy looks, pure handloom malmal cotton with print. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful polka printed one, white base, very smart looks. This one is all over base, same printed one, very trendy and fresh looks, pure handloom, soft, premium quality malmal cotton. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart trendy daily looks. And this one, you know, very beautiful one, and soft silk material, satin border with beautiful printed one, bright printed one, very smart looks, you know. Let me open. This one is full base part, beautiful bright printed one. This portion is satin border, fully printed, very smart looks, bright one, and this one is all over base, beautiful printed one, all over base part is same printed. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and smart looks. And this one also in a same material, same pattern, bright printed one, black with red contrast border, satin border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very trendy and fresh looks, based for your daily wear, office wear, very smart one. This one, you know, full base part, beautiful printed looks, all over base, same printed one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is all over base, same printed. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy smart looks. It's in a very beautiful bright look, same material, same pattern, different color, green shade, bright green shade, satin border, contrast color, and full base part is same printed one, all over base, very nice bright looks, based for your daily wear, office wear. And this one is full base, very trendy and fresh looks, fully printed one, bright printed, and this one is running blouse piece, and all over base part is same printed one, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive smart looks. And today I have dipped a beautiful saree, very elegant look saree, premium quality khadi cotton base, contrast weaving border. This portion is border portions. Contrast color with fine hand weaving design, and this portion is pallu portions. Contrast color stripes pattern pallu, very beautiful saree, soft, comfortable, beautiful one, beautiful saree, beautiful blouse and jewelry also. If you want the same combo, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.